much for joining me on yet another video. Today, as you can see, it's a different kind of video. I am about to organize my small closet here. I have never done this on camera. I always just do it away from the camera, but I thought, you know what, why not just show you a sneak peek of what my closet looks like. It's very disorganized, so don't judge me on that front. I did laundry last week and I just stuffed clothes in there. I want to do a bit of ironing as well, but mostly just organize it, get stuff out that are not serving me currently. And it's gonna take some time doing that, so I'm just gonna have a time lapse to just fasten things as I go along. But welcome to my small closet here. I don't know if you can see it from there. Also, I like listening to music while doing all this stuff to just get me on the mood and to just get me psyched up, get things done as fast as possible. So to just walk you through what is on my closet currently, down here I have shoes, here I have my folded clothes, I have dresses and skirts. On my right here are my coats, sweaters and jackets, followed by my shirts, then my blouses and tops. Then at the back here I have my scarves, my belts, they are all hanging here. Then on the top, let me just show you, we have bags up there, my 2 bags which I carry oftenly. There are socks, muffins, jumpers and jackets. Basically that upper part is very disorganized and I need to just organize it, get rid of stuff that is holding space there that shouldn't be there, then followed with the section that hold my clothes, scarves and every other thing. This part is basically where my whole closet is, because this is what I wear every other day. I know I need to get more hangers to just spread my clothes nicely, but the 6 are holding my clothes just fine at the moment. Then at the bottom are my shoes. Basically this is my whole closet, and everything I wear is on this closet, believe it or not. Let's get started. Actually 5. These are jackets. Then I have sweaters here, heavy sweaters. Then here I have my jumpers. Then here are my shorts, my swimwears and beach wears. They are all here. And these are basically my socks and muffins. This section I rarely wear unless it's cold or I'm going for swimming or I'm going to coast. So mostly I rarely reach for them, and that's why they are on the top part of the closet. So I'm just gonna return them back. To this part, this is where a lot of work is, and we're gonna take a lot of time there to just organize and iron everything that to be ironed. So that's the next part. Need to wear it. So these are sections that I don't oftenly wear, but the outfits that I love and I like. I will organize this section first and return them, then that's when I'll remove this part. So yeah. have my coats and some sweaters here as well, then followed with jackets here, then I have my shirts here as well, then finally my tops here. So this is basically what I wear. Like I said, I need more hangers to just make sure everything is in its place, because I have put a lot of clothes together because of the few hangers I have, but so far they do the job and I am not complaining. So we are going to this bottom part, this bottom. are here, but mostly here I have my kind of official pants and some t-shirts up here. Here I have all my skirts. I don't wear most of them. I've not been wearing skirts lately, but I hope to wear more of them this year. At the very far end I have dresses. I've also not been wearing a lot of dresses, maybe once in a while. These dresses I've had for a very long time, maybe 5 years plus, so they are not new purchases, and I really want to wear more of them this year. So basically that's all down here. I like that it's now very organized and very clean. I have a couple of pants here that I am going to iron. These ones I recently just washed last week, so they need ironing. I like ironing them before I put them here, and some shirts also. But basically this is all that is in my closet. I am going to arrange shoes, and I will be done for the day. Is quite finished, so I have not worn them in a while, and I don't think I will wear them. I'm planning to get maybe heels like this one, especially in bright colors. So these ones I haven't worn, and I am not planning to wear them, so I will let them go. I don't wear oftenly, but I wear them when I need to. This used to be my my favorite shoes, hands down. There are still are, but I don't wear them that often currently. But there are shoes that I love flats with this thick heel, because I mean they give me a bit of height that I need. So this remains here. I left it. Favorite sneakers, so I wear them almost every other week. I love them to death. These were great purchases. Like this one were a really good purchase. I am glad I bought them. They are such a great investment. My favorite sneakers. So they go right next here. With these ones, these are also my current favorite. I wear them to death. I bought them from the same person who sold me this. So a great purchase. They were worth every single coin. I have worn them to death. Super comfortable. I love them. I also put them like that. They will go here. One are also these thick sole sneakers, which I also love. Favorite current wear. I bought them from the same person who sold me these sneakers. And also this pants. So these three are my current favorite. Like I will wear them every other week. If you don't see me with this pair, I'm probably wearing this on this one. These are kind of my formal wear when I need to look formal, either with these two blacks or these ones. So these are my formal kind of collection. When I don't want to look too serious because I don't have heels, I go for these ones. The only rubbers that I own are this pair, and these are the open that have served me for a year or so. Love them to death. I have worn them like every other week. They go well with pants, with skirts, with dresses. Very comfortable. So these ones work. I need to invest in maybe a pair of two. So far, this serves me well. That's all that I wear in terms of shoes. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my closet. I mean, you can see the difference between before and after, and I am super done. I just needed to finish up with the ironing, but everything is well organized now, and the closet looks clean, and I like it like that. So yeah, that's it. I am done organizing and decluttering. I don't have really a lot to declutter because I didn't really declutter. I have also finished ironing the clothes I needed to iron. I just now need to put them back into the closet. But decluttering and organizing your closet is something that you can do yourself. It doesn't matter how big or small your closet is. I think a well-organized closet serves you even better than a disorganized one. This is also what I do for my clients and also for myself. So I thought it's very important to do it, especially on camera. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you on my next video.